Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So this is going to be a little collective haul. I got some stuff from Ross, CVS Pharmacy, and Ulta Beauty, right? All beauty products. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I grabbed some stuff from Ross. I went to a couple of times, and I got this cream shop um little blending sponge, and it was $2.99. So it's really cute. All right, latex free. I grabbed that, and then I saw these this is a Paris Hilton product, right? This is called honey infused lip oil. All right. I just love this packaging. I didn't know, you know, what it was. And how much was this, y'all? This was $5.99. Okay. So it's $5.99 at Ross. Y'all know Ross has got some cute stuff sometimes. I'm a more of a TJ Maxx and Marshalls girl, but I do pop in a Ross sometimes. So I don't know about this case. This case is like kind of weird. It's a weird looking case here. Let's open it. That. Alright. Oh, that's kind of different. Oh, okay. And then what if you reuse it? What you gonna do? Oh, just like a little tray, I guess. Oh, I guess you make it like a little tray. Oh, that's cute. I guess if you need a tray, huh? And then you can just take them out and put them in here. So these are so pretty. Look at that. Are they beautiful? Like so pretty. You know what? Let's just pop one out and take a look at it. Let's see how they smell. Okay. All right, they don't smell too bad. Smell like honey. And then that's what it looks like. Oh, it's pretty. On top of a lipstick, this will be great. This will be beautiful on top of a lipstick, y'all. Really beautiful. I just thought about that, because it has a little shimmer to it. All right. So if you're not a fan of shimmer, then you might not like this. But these were cute for $5, $6. You get 5 of them in here. And I love all the colors. I love them all. So that was a good find. Really, really good find. You know what? Y'all, Paris Hilton has got some cute stuff, cute makeup and lipsticks, and like a lot of eyeshadows and stuff. Really, really cute. So don't sleep on Paris, honey. Miss Paris got some cute stuff. I love her stuff, right? She has really cute makeup and brushes and stuff like that. So, all right, now let me show you. So I got this other thing. Let me show you this. Another Revolution makeup palette, like you surprised, $6.99, and this one is called Hydra Dolphin. Now they did have some of these at Target, y'all, and the ones at Target, I don't think they had this one, but the one kind of with this theme at Target was like $15. So I was happy to find this one for $6.99, right? $6.99, y'all. So that's really good. And then this is the colors inside. Just absolutely beautiful. All right, so these are the colors for the Hydra Dolphin. They're absolutely beautiful, as Revolution always is. Almost every palette they have, I love, y'all. Almost. There was a couple I just looked at and thought, no, not really. But the ones that are like this with the decorations on it, the decorations, y'all. But the artwork and stuff, I love decorations. I guess what is it, Christmas? No. But that's beautiful. This one is so pretty, this mermaid color. Oh, just just fabulous. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, y'all. Just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love. All right. So that is Hydra Dolphin. It was $6.99 at Ross. Okay. Now, let me show you the stuff I grabbed at CVS, of all places. All right, y'all. So I grabbed this at CVS Pharmacy. Now, CVS, you know how you get that long, mile-long receipt, right? They have coupons on that receipt. They had a $5 one and like a $2 one, y'all. I think a $5, something like that. So I was able to use, at the time, I was able to use a couple of coupons because I made a couple of different purchases. So this one, I actually used a $5 coupon off, and this is the Cream Shop's moisturizing lip balm. I love these little pots here. Really, really cute. The yellow one, it's like lemon or something. Lemon drop, that's the name of it. It smells really, really good. I love it. I just kind of opened it to sniff it to see what it smells like. But I want to show it to you guys. So it's really, really nice. These little pots, they come in different, some of them come in different like scents and flavors and stuff like that. So I really like this one, but I used $5 off, and it ended up being $3 at CVS. So if you go to CVS and you get something, pull off those coupons and use it on some beauty products. So, and then I used the other coupon. I think the other one was $2 or $3. I think it was $3. So I was able to get some NYX, some of this new to me, buttery lip gloss, right? Butter gloss. right? This is so pretty. It's such a pretty color. This one is called strawberry cheesecake. Okay, strawberry cheesecake. This one's called sorbet. And they're just really pretty pinks. Look at that. Just so pretty. Right? They're two different kind of pinks, right? So pretty. And they were like 5 something a piece. So I was able to use a coupon on that. And then I got this lip pencil. Now I ended up ordering some lip pencils from Amazon. And I will put those in another haul. I got the I think it's a 12 pack for like $8. The Italia lip pencils are fabulous. But I got this one first and I hadn't used it. And this one's called Ever. And it's by NYX. All right. It's really pretty color. So I felt like it would go good with these, right? So, and then today, y'all, I got lucky today. Listen to this. So NYX had a deal. What's today? Today is I don't know. It's March something. March 11th, I think. They had a deal in CVS where if you buy 2, you get 1 free, right? And I was able to use a coupon, y'all. So look what else I got today. I got more butter gloss today. I want to try these colors. Okay, I wanted to try these colors, so it was buy 2 and get 1 free. And then I was able to use a $5 coupon, y'all. For these 3 lip glosses, it was $6.47. Normally, all of these are $6 by themselves, so that's a great deal. I was like, even the girl that rung me up, she was like, "Oh, I need to go get me some." She's like, "I like these; they're pretty." I said, "I know, right?" So, this one is called A Bit of Honey. It's really pretty. All right, nice, kind of nude, but again, wearing it, rocking it with a lip pencil is so pretty. And this one is what is this one called? Angel Food Cake. The other one here, really pretty. All right, Angel Food Cake, beautiful. And then this one, what is this one called? Tiramisu. Yeah, it's a really pretty color, beautiful color, really really nice. Again, with some lip pencils and some of this on top of it. Oh my god, like this one on top of it. Like, look at this. Hold on, let's do this, y'all. Just a second. We gotta look at that. That's gonna be so pretty together. Oh my god. Here, let's open this real quick. I didn't even open any of these, y'all. All right, so let's do that. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. It's kind of sheer, a little sheer. So I may not need anything on top, but if I put a lip pencil with it, you know, I don't know. This might make it a little messy there, but that's still pretty though, huh? Pretty. Put a lip pencil under that. I mean, beautiful. Okay, really, really pretty. So yeah, I got these at CVS, y'all. CVS. I got all of these at CVS for such a deal on all of them. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then lip liner, and then the lip balm at CVS. So check your local CVS, y'all, and use your coupons because they definitely put them on that mile-long receipt. So we might as well use them. I tear them off now, and I save them, but you definitely have to look at the expiration date because they do expire. Okay, they definitely expire. So I had one for $2 off, but I let it expire. So the $5 one did not expire. All right. Now, let's jump into Ulta Beauty. All right, so here's the stuff that I grabbed at Ulta Beauty. I got the Makeup Revolution. This one is Glimmer. I love these lip balms. I've had them before, and I always use them out. So use them up. So this one's Glimmer. I didn't open it yet, so it's so beautiful though. It's really really pretty. So I got that. I think I got enough lip gloss for everybody. I got these dual tipped cotton applicators. I love using these for my makeup. I think these were probably $2. Like $2. I think this was $6, $7, something like that. I think. And then yeah, so that was that was cute. I needed some of these. I wish they had them in bigger containers. I need a big one. They gave me a little free sample. All right. Yeah, so we'll try that for some serum. And then I got this bullet brow. I'm gonna try this because I'm trying to do some new things with my eyebrows, y'all. I don't know what's. I have to look and see what this is. I was trying to open it and see. I may take it back if I don't like it. Let's open it and see here. All right. Oh, so it's like that. Okay, so it's like a little case. Oh, it's like that. It's like a cream. Oh, I got you. Because you know what? I got another one, a brow thing that's in it's a little bit different. Also Makeup Revolution, I believe. It's in a different color too. So I don't know. I might keep it and try it. This wasn't very expensive. It might have been $6. And they had like a special going on. I don't know if it was on sale. Some of the stuff was on sale. So yeah, I don't know about this color. It might work because my eyebrows are dark brown. So yeah, this one's brow shaping wax, dark brown. All right. So we'll keep that. Can always have extra stuff to do our eyebrows. I know back in the day, y'all, I used to get talked about my eyebrows because I used to do them in black pencil, back in the day. When I say back in the day, I'm in the 80s when I was in like high school. Girl, yes, I am that girl. I'm an older girl, in case you did not know. So back in the 80s, child, we used to just take the black pencil and the eyebrows and have them strong, Madonna, Jolie Watley eyebrows. And people still talk about that when they see me like, girl, I'm like, girl, that was 30 years ago, 25 years ago. Let it go. My eyebrows are cute now. Leave me alone. But anyway, I've definitely evolved since then. Now this is a Morphe concealer brush, okay? Camouflage concealer brush, oval. I don't know how much this was. It might have been about $7, $6 or $7, maybe $5. I don't know. What number is this? They have numbers. M224 oval camouflage concealer brush by Morphe. I do like their brushes, so I'm gonna try this one. I've been in the market for a new concealer brush. Hold on, let's open it. I'm trying to get these videos out so I can put this stuff away and start wearing it. So that's what the brush looks like. It's really nice and fluffy and flat. So yeah, we'll try it out and see. If not, I have to order one, maybe from Amazon or something, or try another brand. But yeah, all right. So that's that by Morphe. I think I've spent about $50. With all the stuff here, these things here all together, like $53 or something like that. So then here's this one, y'all. Again, new to me. This is I put it upside down because I was looking at it. Another palette, another Makeup Revolution palette, y'all. As if, again, y'all know I'm a fan of the Makeup Revolution. They literally can send me a whole box of stuff and I would be so excited. So this one is called, look at the artwork on that. Just gorgeous. Like, what? Look at the artwork on these. This is just beautiful. Gorgeous, right? I'm messing up my table, y'all. Trying to show y'all stuff here. Okay, so right? Oh, here, wait. We messing it up. Yeah, so that's just beautiful. Beautiful artwork. And this one is called Regal Romance. Oh my god, what do you see this palette? I was like, there's no way I can leave this store without this palette. Look at that. It is amazingly beautiful. Like, this one is beautiful. Regency. Like, these two together, right? Or these three. Or, well, maybe not. Maybe you don't want to mix these three, but you probably need a match. Or even these two together. Right? Oh, pretty. So pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this one. Duchess. Don't we love? Absolutely love, y'all. Just gorgeous. What is this one called again? Let's see. Regal Romance. So if y'all looking for that, it's at Ulta Beauty, okay? Ulta Beauty. Love that. Oh my God, just so beautiful. Husband. Oh, I like that one too. This husband, wife. Oh, I love that. Duke. I like the names that they give them too. Just so gorgeous, right? Just so gorgeous. So yeah, that's one of my other palettes I got from Ulta Beauty. All right. So y'all, this is my makeup haul. This is one. I got a bigger one from TJ Maxx, which is coming up. So if you like TJ Maxx, you want to see what I grabbed, come on and check that out. And please subscribe to the channel. All right. I have other stuff coming in, I'm just working on my beauty, building up my beauty stash here. And I'll have other videos coming out too at some point. I think I'm gonna put some DIYs on the channel maybe, and I'll have some commentary things on here, and a few other things. So you definitely want to stay tuned and subscribe. Trying to build up my subscriber count here. All right. So if you have any questions or comments regarding this video, please leave it below, and I'll answer and get back to you. And give me a follow on my social media if you so choose to. My links are down in the description. Now, granted, they're my links from my art channel. But you can still follow me and see what I got going on over there. If you like art and making things, making pretty things, check me out over at Stephanie Garrett Creative. Otherwise, you can check out the link that is going to be listed in my link tree, and all of my things are in the link. Okay, so all right, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.